Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I have received so many messages from your side like ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English and I am living in a village area where no one can speak in English but I have a desire for learning this language. I really want to speak in English fluently and confidently but because of my atmosphere because I have no one, I am not able to speak in English. So please share with me some wonderful apps and also I am very poor. I have no money for purchasing any kind of course for learning this language. So please share with me some free and cost apps which will help me to improve my English speaking skill. So friends, I have already shared with you so many apps and all the apps are free and cost. And if you haven't watched my previous video, don't worry. I just share that video's link in this video's description box so you can easily find that video. Okay. And because of your demand, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English. Not only improve your English, you can easily find some new friends and all the friends just like you and they just want to improve their English fluency. Your problem is that you are living in an area where no one can speak in English. Don't worry, this application will help you, okay, to create your atmosphere in English. Also will help you find some partner which will willing to talk to you in English. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful application name is CV, SIVI, CV. Okay, and for this application what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and search CV. Okay, and okay, so I'm going to just search CV. This is wonderful application, CV English speaking app, and you can see the logo. This is the logo. Okay, so I have already downloaded this application in my mobile phone. So I'm just open this application. So after opening this application, this will ask your question. Okay, connect with real people and connect with Arya personal teacher. So just I'm going to show you how to use this application. So I'm going to touch practice now, connect with real people. Okay, also I will show you how to connect with Arya real tutor. First I'm going to connect real people. Okay, I'm going to connect. So do you want male or female? Any, because we want to enhance our fluency. So yes, any.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, good morning. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Okay, your name is Asif. Okay, I'm talking to Asif.
Gigi.
Okay.
Yes,
So Asif, where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Wow, Pakistan. Wonderful. Actually, na first time I'm talking a person who is living in Pakistan.
Thank you. Welcome.
And so Asif, tell me something about your. Are you a student or are you a business professional?
Okay. Basically, I am assistant manager in tiles industry, and beside this, I am doing Bachelor of Business Administration from
Okay.
private university, and currently I have completed my certification in Microsoft Power BI from Lens University.
Oh,
Also, I am using this application before 3 to 4 months ago, and before 1 month ago, I paid the charges of this application around PTR 1,600 rupees. So you can easily connect with male and female to improve your communication skills on daily basis. So that's why I am here to improve your and all of improve my communication skills on daily basis.
okay,
Tell
okay.
me about yourself. Are you job person or a student?
Okay, okay. So definitely you are doing good, and just I'm share with you my, actually I am a teacher. My name is Rita, and I am living Uttar Pradesh in India. So I'm talking to you from India, and actually we are connected with each other, like we can say the cousin.
Sorry.
Actually, I am from India, and you are from Pakistan. So we can say as a cousin.
No worries, no worries. I have no issue.
Okay.
We are neighbors.
Okay,
No
okay.
worries. We are neighbors.
Why? Why?
You
Because
know.
we are separated with one country, so we can say cousin. Why we can say neighbor?
Yes, yes, yes. I have no issue. Cousin, blood relation, something like that. I
Yeah,
have no
yeah,
issue.
yeah. so so that's
So,
that's
which types of subject do you read in any school, college, university?
okay.
What is your occupation?
Actually, I am a teacher in a basic school, so I teach a student from class first to eighth standards, and I teach all subject. Basically, I am a English teacher, but I have to teach all the subject because I am a basic teacher. So that's all.
Nice, that's great. So, are you teacher? So, what is your goal in future? You need to build your own school. You need to your focus abroad, also honor principle, something like that. What is your goal?
Actually, I am a principal in my school, and I am doing in a
Wow,
yeah. Actually, I am a
you
principal.
achieved your goal because you are
Yeah, I
principal.
have already achieved my goal, and because of my desire, there is a desire inside me for learning this language. And just I want to tell you that I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium government school. So in my childhood, I have a desire for learning this language because all the friends were going in a convent school except me. So yes, in childhood there was a inferiority complex inside me, but when I get some more extra time, when I feel okay, I can improve my English, and nowadays you can know that so many resources around us, and so for this we don't need to go for join any institute for learning this language. So yes, because of my desire, I just want to improve my fluency, and yes, there is no any type of issue for getting any job and any designation. I have already achieved all the designation in my life, and yes, if I know
Nice.
English, so yes, I can go abroad, and because in future, I think I have to go abroad, and so that's why I just improve my English fluency. That's why I'm improving.
Nice, that's great. Thank you so much for explaining me. But whenever you talk with anybody, any people, so literally to be honest, your mind is already trained,
Already
something like
trained.
that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, because whenever you say एक दफा की बात है, I don't know, maybe possibility you understand this Hindi word, एक दफा की बात है, तो so you can
Once
easily
upon a time.
communicate once.
Yeah, once upon
Yes,
a time.
once upon a
Oh,
time.
yeah.
So this,
This sentence
yes,
is, already in our mind. Once upon a time. एक समय की
yes,
बात है. Yeah.
yes. What is your mother tongue?
Actually, my mother tongue is Hindi, and I think
Okay.
your mother tongue is also Hindi because आप you एक दफा की बात है. So I just know
हाँ,
that.
मेरी बेसिकली हमारे पाकिस्तान में ना उर्दू बहुत चलती है, तो
Okay.
यहाँ पे उर्दू बोलते हैं। हिंदी और उर्दू बिल्कुल सेम है, जस्ट लिसन, सिर्फ जो है ना वो लिखने का फर्क
Okay, okay.
है। लिटरली fluency is totally dependent on your conversation.
Practice.
So
Yeah.
this is like I wake up early in the morning, then I perform
Yeah,
namaz.
we can
After that,
yeah
I
start our conversation with our
after
daily
that,
routine. Okay.
yes, I covered myself. But
Okay.
I covered I only I. I
Okay.
am working. I understand. I don't understand. Do I understand? Where do I understand? How do I understand?
Yeah, yeah,
Something
yeah.
like that. इस तरीके के मैंने बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस और चीजों को वो किया, लिखा, लिखने के बाद पढ़ा, फिर उसे अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट किया। जहाँ जहाँ मैं वीक था वहाँ वहाँ पहले मैंने अपनी वीकनेसेस को कवर किया।
Listen to me. Actually, you have said earlier that you have paid thousand, approximately thousand rupees for this application.
1,600
1,000. Okay.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
this application or other application.
Basically, literally to be honest, if you are asking for learning point of view,
Yeah.
so this application is very good.
CV.
Instead of Hello Talk, Open Talk, because there is a completely room. आपके पास पूरे के पूरे राइट्स हैं कि आप इस पे एक आर्या होती हैं जो
Arya, yeah, yeah, yeah. AI personal
कि आप
tutor.
आर्या के साथ बात, बिल्कुल, कि आप आर्या से बात कर लें, ताकि आपको कोई शर्म और हेजिटेशन भी नहीं होगी तो कि भाई कौन बोल रहा है, वो मशीन आपसे बात कर रही हो कि सिंपल आप उससे बात कर रहे हो, ये
Yeah, yeah,
सिंपल है।
yeah, yeah.
प्लस इसके अलावा अगर आपको ऐसा है कि यार हमने थोड़ा बहुत बोलने के काबिल हो गए हो तो आप अपने ही लेवल के बंदे से यहाँ कनेक्ट हो जाते हो।
Co-learner,
ये भी
just
फायदा
like
है अगर
actually, I'm not just like you. Your English is very excellent. I just say,
no, literally, I am totally beginner. यकीन करें. You have any account on YouTube?
yeah, I have account. Yes, English with Desi madam.
Okay. English
So,
with Desi. Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to talk to you. Thank you so much
thank
for
you
your
so
time.
much. Yeah, yeah.
If you are pro user in the
Actually,
future,
I
so
am
you
not
can
a pro
easily
user.
connect.
I'm just using this application sometime when I get some time. So I'm not a pro
Okay.
user.
No
Okay.
worries. No worries. No worries.
Okay. Okay.
No
Thank you
worries.
so
If
much,
you talk
Asif.
in future, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. So yes, now I'm going to show you how to use Arya, your personal teacher. Okay, you can use this application because when you are in initially time when you are learning this language, so you can use. So this will
Hi,
anything.
Rita. It's nice to meet you. What
Hi.
topic do you want to talk about today?
Hi Arya, it's nice to talk to you. Okay, this is a wonderful way to improve our fluency and how to practice in English because I have no one with whom I can practice English. So please give me some suggestion to improve my fluency.
You're doing well. You can practice by speaking to yourself, watching English shows, or using language apps. Have you tried any of these methods before?
Yeah, I have already tried all the method before in my earlier time, and sometime I get stuck because I have no any partner. And yes, I have used so many apps. So can you suggest me which app is wonderful for improve our fluency?
Good effort. You might like apps like HelloTalk or Tandem for speaking with others. Have you used any specific app that you enjoyed?
Okay, I have not used this talked up these application. I just using your application like CV, Peer Up, and English conversation practice, and I think all the apps that I have used are wonderful.
Nice try. You can say, I have not used these apps.
I
It's
have
great
not
that you
used.
find those apps helpful. Do
Okay.
you prefer speaking or writing in English more?
Not too much, but when I get some time, so I just try to listening, reading, writing, everything.
Great. You might say, I enjoy listening to English shows and series. This way, I can learn English while having fun in my free time. It's good to connect learning with enjoyment. What shows do you like to watch?
Okay, so the shows like Big Bang Theory and Friends, these are wonderful apps. These are wonderful shows, not apps.
Nice choices. You could say, I like shows like The Big Bang Theory and Friends. They are wonderful sources for listening practice. Remember to use are for plural subjects. Do you also listen to English music?
No, I'm not using English any podcast. So do you suggest me? Can you suggest me any podcast which is good for my English speaking skill?
Sure. You might say, I don't use any English podcasts. A good podcast for you is English Class 101. It's helpful for improving speaking skills. Have you tried listening to any English podcasts before?
No, I have not.
That's okay. You could say, no, I have not. Starting with one podcast can be fun. Would you prefer a podcast with stories or conversations?
I just want to listen English stories because in a story I just there is some fun, so I like to listen English stories.
That's a great choice. You can say, I just want to listen to English stories because they are fun. Using to after listen is correct here. What kind of stories do you enjoy?
I just want to listen some motivational stories, some story that gives us motivation, inspiration.
Nice idea. You should say, I just want to listen to some motivational stories. Use to after listen for clarity. What motivates you the most?
Actually, I just want to motivate myself because motivation is very important, and so just while listening some real biography and real stories, which gives us energy, which gives us motivation. So I just want to listen. I would prefer to listen these types of real biography. Okay.
That's a wonderful goal. You can say, I want to motivate myself because motivation is very important. use want instead of just want for clarity. Have you heard any motivational biographies before?
Yeah, I have learned about APJ Abdul Kalam biography and Swami Vivekananda biography. So this biography actually helps me to keep motivated all the time.
Great examples. You should say, I have learned about APJ Abdul Kalam's biography and Swami Vivekananda's biography.
So Arya, I just want to leave this session because I have some urgent work. So that's why I want to leave. So thank you for doing conversation.
I understand. You can say, I want to leave the session because I have urgent work. Thank you for chatting with me. What urgent work do you have?
I have to prepare my lunch. With the help of this application, you can easily improve your English, and for this application you don't need to focus on other that someone will come, then you can start your English speaking skill. Okay, so use this application, and if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, then use this Arya English Tutor, because she will give you your feedback. Also, if you speak in English incorrect, so she will correct your English. She will say this is correct, this is not correct. Okay, so use this Arya Tutor English teacher, and if you find okay, now you can easily speak in English with someone, so you can go on just like your co-learners. Okay, so practice with co-learners. So it's up to you, what do you want to talk to in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.